Hey there, songwriters. Today we're going to be writing cartoon theme songs. Cartoon theme songs are so fun, and no matter how long ago we last saw our favorite show, we probably still have that theme song stuck in our head.
Flintstones, meet the Flintstones, they're the modern Stone Age family.
Sometimes some crime goes slipping through the cracks.
There's 104 days of summer vacation, and school comes along just to end it. So the annual problem for our generation is finding a good way to spend it.
So what are some of the things that make a great cartoon theme song? Well, first of all, it's going to introduce the premise of the show. What is this show about? So that as soon as you see that title sequence start to go, you know what kind of show you're watching.
Life is like a hurricane here in Duckburg. Race cars, lasers, airplanes. It's a Duckburg.
What's the Scooby-Doo? We're coming after you. You're gonna solve that mystery. I see you, Scooby-Doo. We're traveling after you. What's the Scooby-Doo?
In addition to introducing the vibe and the plot of the show, it's probably going to introduce some of the characters.
Animaniacs, Dog is cute and Yakko yaks. Wacko packs away the snacks while Bill Clinton plays the sax.
Jimmy is an average kid that no one understands. Mom and Dad and Vicky always giving him commands.
Adventure time! Come on, grab your friends. We'll go to very distant lands. We'll take the dog and then the human. The fun will never end.
Sometimes they just list the names of characters in the show. This is called a roll call.
Believe in
Garnet, Amethyst, and Pearl, and Steven!
They also tend to repeat the name of the show a whole bunch of times.
Teen Titans! From their tower they can see it all! Teen Titans!
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Heroes in a half shell. Turtle Power. SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants.
And the best part about cartoon theme songs is they can really literally be in any style of music that you can imagine.
Call me Big Man if you wanna reach me. When you wanna face me, it's okay. Whenever you need me, baby. Call me Big Man if you wanna reach me.
Family, what?
You and me will always be tied. Family every single day and night. Even when you start to acting like a fool, you know I'm loving every single thing you do.
So basically, a cartoon theme song is like a business card for the show. It's short, it's sweet, it tells you what you're getting into, and then about the time you've absorbed all that, the show is starting and you're already watching it. So let's take and do a ride along. We're going to use the form from our website and look at how we might go about writing this song. So now that you've got some ideas and a formula to work with, go write your own songs, write your own theme songs, come up with your own TV shows, and most importantly, have a really fun time doing it.